Question number 1. When is Halloween celebrated? Option A. 30 October, B. 31 October, C. 1 November, D. 2 November. Answer is option B. 31 October. Question number 2. How many strings does a standard violin have? Option A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Answer is option B. 4. Question number 3. How many vertices does a cube have? Option A. 6, B. 8, C. 10, D. 12. Answer is option B. 8. Question number 4. How many degrees are there in a full circle? Option A. 180, B. 270, C. 360, D. 90. Answer is option C. 360. Question number 5. What country is the kiwi bird native to? Option A. Canada, B. Australia, C. New Zealand, D. South Africa. Answer is option C. New Zealand. Question number 6. How many sides does a hexagon have? Option A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 9. Answer is option A. 6. Question number 7. In which year did World War I start? Option A. 1914, B. 1918, C. 1912, D. 1939. Answer is option A. 1914. Question number 8. Which of the following birds can mimic human speech? Option A. Parrot, B. Raven, C. Peacock, D. Owl. Answer is option A. Parrot. Question number 9. Which animal is called king of the jungle? Option A. Tiger, B. Chimpanzee, C. Leopard, D. Lion. Answer is option D. Lion. Question number 10. Which bird is the symbol of the United States of America? Option A. Bald eagle, B. American crow, C. Wild turkey, D. American robin. Answer is option A. Bald eagle. Question number 11. Who is called by the father of history? Option A. Mark Antony, B. Archimedes, C. Herodotus, D. Homer. Answer is option C. Herodotus. Question number 12. In which year Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany? Option A. 1932, B. 1933, C. 1944, D. 1945. Answer is option B. 1933. Question number 13. Alexander the Great was the king of which kingdom? Option A. Rome, B. Macedonia, C. Epirus, D. Cyprus. Answer is option B. Macedonia. Question number 14. In which year Alexander the Great became the king of Macedonia? Option A. 336 BC, B. 323 BC, C. 350 BC, D. 200 BC. Answer is option A. 336 BC. Question number 15. Who was one of the teachers of Alexander the Great? Option A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. Socrates, D. None of the above. Answer is option B, Aristotle. Question number 16. Who said that man is a political animal? Option A, Aristotle, B, Karl Marx, C, Lenin, D, Plato. Answer is option A, Aristotle. Question number 17. On which island of France Napoleon was born? Option A, Saint Helena, B, Corsica, C, Elba, D, Oleron. Answer is option B, Corsica. Question number 18. Which one of the following countries is called Gift of the Nile? Option A, China, B, India, C, Iraq, D, Egypt. Answer is option D, Egypt. Question number 19. Which year Italian explorer Christopher Columbus discovered America? Option A, 1491, B, 1492, C, 1493, D, 1494. Answer is option B, 1492. Question number 20. Who discovered sea route to India? Option A, Vasco da Gama, B, Amerigo Vespucci, C, Ferdinand Magellan, D, Christopher Columbus. Answer is option A, Vasco da Gama.